What's up, YouTube friends? I'm Brian Hewitt of Hewitt Films. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make actual theater tasting butter at home. Flavical. It's basically like seasoning salt. Butter flavored coconut oil. Popcorn kernels, of course. And I like to put this Orville Redenbacher's popping oil on top of it. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to heat up the popcorn popper, and I'm going to put in some butter flavored coconut oil. While that coconut oil melts, I'm going to put in some Flavical. Basically it's seasoned salt. That's what they use in the movie theaters. And I'm going to put a little bit in there. Like that. Time for our popcorn. Look at this popcorn, guys. This is theater popcorn made at home. Now what I like to do is I get a bag and I put the popcorn in the bag, and because I like extra butter, I'm going to take some of that butter seasoning that I showed you and I'm going to put it in the bag and just shake it up and you're ready to go. I'm Brian Hewitt of Hewitt Films. If you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to Hewitt Films. Thank you.